So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you resolve error which is like collect2 error ld return 1 exit status which generally occurs in C or CPP due to some function error. Now let me show you what this error actually is and how does it occur. So let's move now VS Code firstly. After that, this is the basic step. You can choose any compiler like your preferred compiler. I will be using VS Code here. Just go in File tab here and open your folder where you have stored your program. Okay, I will be going in this folder. Then what you have to do is you have to create a file named as test.cpp for testing this particular error. Now, what you have to do is you have to import some header files. Like you have to import include iostream dash include iostream iostream this one. This is a header file, and we will be needing one more file. I think that's enough. Now let's create a function inside this void print message and save this one. Okay, then let's try running this one. Run code. You can see that we are getting this error. Okay, now let me tell you what are the reason that we are getting this error. We have not defined our main function here. That is void main print message. Okay, we don't need this one. We will just call out this function. We can also remove this. We can just simply call out this function and this will return hello world. Just save this one and run this. Just a second, guys. Okay, sorry. It must return int. Just save this. Now run this again. You can see that we are getting our output. That simply means our program is now correctly running. Okay, there is one more reason why this error comes. Just delete this one and end with semicolon. Now if you run this again, you will see that error again. Let's wait till it gets completed. Okay, so you can see that this error is coming again because we have improper function definition or declaration. So if we do this, you will get correct output. So you can see that improper function definition or declaration or missing main function is generally the reason for this type of error. So just resolve this and you will get your correct output. So that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.